Okay, so one of the most used features for me in building my rapid e-learning courses is the change picture option in PowerPoint 2007. So if you're not using that, how are you swapping out images, right? You're probably selecting the image, you click delete, and then what do? You probably go up to the insert tab and then, find another image. That way totally works. Let me just undo that. But there is another way that's a little bit faster, and it also offers the added benefit of retaining the image position, so you don't have to worry about resizing them, especially when you're working with more complicated templates or trying to reuse existing layouts. So the way you use that is simply double-click an image or select the Format tab, and then over here is an option called Change Picture. Select that, and you can browse to another image, select it, click Insert, and check that out. So we didn't delete anything. We didn't have to go click in the insert menu. We just quickly swapped one image out for another one. I like how it retains the position on the slide. And again, especially if you're working with more complicated layouts or templates and trying to reuse those assets, it's a great feature. And it does save a couple extra keystrokes, which do add up in the bigger projects.